Welcome back, the viewers and subscribers. Bigsuper. We're out in a East Prospect and we're going to take a look at the drainage system and see what I'm going to update you guys. But we're almost in front of a flow scheme. We're almost in front of flow scheme, the viewers and sub. See some work are going on the main road there. See the workman and just come on from the work site. So Bigsuper, I'm going to take a look and I'm going to see what go on with the drainage. Just pick and stay, people. Viewers and sub, you see where I go on here now? Them are put in the underground drainage system, and what I observe is that them build a base, put the pipe on it, and then them cast it, people. And then them cast it, you know. So that are the new method, the new supervision, the people them now will take it over. And that are the method them are use. But when you observe that pipe, they're busting a two. So the pipe they dig up back, take out and then put in back new pipe. So my viewers and sub, what may I say? It seems like these plastic pipes, them can't really take the pressure. Them can't really manage the pressure of the traffic. So them have to build a base, put the pipe on it, and then them concrete it. Good morning. And then them concrete. But what may I say, one to the days of concrete pipe. Yeah, drainage, one to the days when them used to use the concrete drain, people. Full up the comment section. It wouldn't easier. You get the concrete drain and just put it on the ground. Instead of you come with a plastic pipe and then concrete it. I don't know. I just ask the question because I see like them are reinvent the wheel. You understand? Someone wants to know if it's not easier for you, just come with the concrete pipe instead of putting pipe and turn around. I have to take it out and put in back pipe and then concrete it. So, my viewers and subscriber, Bigsuper, they're on the road there, and I make the walk, and we just take a next update look out in East Prospect. We just look from the road work we're taking place, and we just look from the underground system, and we just give a further update on it. Make you see what go on, what's going on underground here. So work agency continue to upgrade. Them continue to upgrade the underground drainage system by putting in a base. Then make a base, concrete the base, and then lay the pipe on it and steel it up, and then concrete it and things. So that are the new method now. Them are employ to make the thing more firmer. That means that when you drive a vehicle, like in your driveway, the pipe run across it, and there's a vehicle to go over that area now, come to your yard, it won't sink the pipe. Because it look like, if you look right here, so pan a pipe under the ground, you can't say I sink a pipe there, sink. You see it? You see it? Look good, people, you can't see it. Say I sink, so the next one come out there. I sink it, I sink. So it can't really manage. It can't really manage the weight. So all this could have to go dig up back and do the right and proper way. So my viewers and sub, Bigsuper, they're out in the beautiful community of East Prospect. Yeah, we're there in the beautiful community. Yeah, man, I go back at Springbank. Yeah, brother said I go back at Springbank. Yeah, my viewers. So we're there out in the beautiful community of East Prospect. And we just make a walk. We just make a walk this morning, people. And we just look on the roadway. We look how far the draining system, how it look, and we come on. And we just again a further update. For our go on. Big up the loyal subscriber. Alright, my brethren. Alright. Big up my loyal subscriber shop, the Herschel Grocery. One of my number one subscriber that from in the early days, people. Herschel, I hope your pot full and run over. And my viewers and sub. You see like the little restaurant there, so the little blue shop. Like it all for open, but I see paint up and picket fence up. And it look good. My general, what go on over there now? Yes, sir. Alright. Where's the restaurant up? Alright. Well, the man them say the shop up. So my viewers and sub. It's that big green and orange or yellow building there. Yeah. Triple R. My people. When you're there out in the East Prospect, you can stop at the super right there. You can stop at it and get your grocery and all these things. And upstairs, you see where them have you see Adidas, you see Puma, you see Nike, you see all of these things. So you know, so them have garments and shoes and clothes and all these things that go on the building. So when you're out in the East Prospect, you can pull over other super right there and get what you want. So my viewers and sub, I pass Triple R. Big up Triple R Super 8. One of the number one Super 8 out in the East Prospect. They're out on the Beverly Hills side of St. Thomas. I know from when that building have to complete people. Yes, there's some medical office to go over them in a certain. Yeah. So my viewers, as we're there and we are look on the gully, see there, and the drain, bush take it over, it want to clean up, it want to set up right. And thing, the road take time to come on, and thing, the new, I mean, I was saying new, but I always use the new set of people them, but the same set of people them, but with more supervision, yeah, to manage the road and oversee the road and see where I go on. People them will supervise it now. Yeah, my viewers and sub. See the promise there. Remember the promise? Bigsuper pass the promise. The whole light take time to deteriorate. Bless up the little rain that fall last night. And I tell you say, make the night cool and nice. So my viewers and sub, we are come up to our next part where them box up and out the cars. So we are gonna make actually see how it's really done. My viewers and sub. So you see it? Them box up this and thing. And them out the cars. So I guess I'm gonna wait for the concrete now. So it's a Brown's there, Brown's guest house, so right in front of Brown's driveway. So what happened is that them plastic pipes, you know, look like them can manage the weight. That's how I see people. So them have to concrete it. So that's the question me just that ask there. If you have to concrete the plastic pipe, why you never just bring the concrete pipe them and done? And if you ask and so talk truth, I mean when they make concrete pipe, that back in my days a concrete pipe them used to use and lay them and join them up together. So I don't know peeps. Bigsuper just ask the question. We just ask the question why them never just bring concrete pipe and lay it and put back the dirt on it. So my peeps, we are out in a East Prospect and see the new restaurant there. Right over there. Yeah, man. So, we just take a walk. The people, see some pipe there where them dig out back. Them have to dig out back them pipe there. And the whole of them pipe they are sink. Because it look like the first set of people them were late. Them never take in consideration the type of era. Maybe when them that are late, the pipe them. And it look like through that. The pipe them look like them a sink. And the pipe them can't take the weight. And things so. Morning. So them people are do they do, you know. So we just come down the stretch, East Prospect, we just walk down the stretch. You going to school this morning? Alright, bless up yourself. Have yourself a good day. Are we school you go? Golden Grove? St. Thomas Tech? Alright, big up St. Thomas. Big up Technical. Alright. Let me look at bridging that people and off on the way off to school. So, my viewers and sub, Bigsuper, I go walk and come down to the hydrant. Yeah. Never look right down to the hydrant. And that's where me have end the blog. Right down at the hydrant here. And thing, I'm gonna say, so work I go on the underground drainage system out here in East Prospect. So my viewers and sub, I want to fill up the comment section and tell me what you think about putting in these black pipe and then concrete them. Or them should have just get the concrete pipe, they done concrete already. I don't know. Every day a new technology. So I just show you a pipe of concrete already underneath the ground. See that so? That driveway there, so just the front piece left there, so fitting. So you see it? That concrete up underneath the ground already, people. So I'm showing it from the side there. So it concrete up. So when the vehicle now traverse over it, the vehicle then not supposed to have no problem now, my viewers and so, because it well firm under the ground. So when you go across it, you're not gonna have no problem. So my viewers and sub, I hope you enjoy the local walk here out in East Prospect. I encourage the people to like, share, subscribe. I have a second channel, people, and I try to bring it to 1,000 subscribers. And the second channel name, Bigsuper Adventure. I'm going to leave, when I look at flyers them, I'm going to leave the link in the description where you can go over the Adventure channel. And you know, subscribe and help bring it to 1,000. For now, you don't know Bigsuper out in East Prospect. The Beverly Hills section. I'm saying to you guys, Beverly Hills section, I St. Thomas, saying to you guys, peace out.
Yes.